Okay, good morning, everybody. Welcome in to North Dakota today. John David Birdall here, and we are thinking spring with our beautiful butterflies.
Yes, exactly. So this is how it's going to end up. I've got one right here. Oh, there we go. These darn butterflies, they're
going to fly away.
Direction. It's
I'm still building mine.
Okay,
it's a Picasso
sure.
butterfly.
So I'll talk about what we're doing next. Okay, I got the antenna put on this one. There we go, on the side there, so the white. Okay, great. Yeah, so I had already cut the straws.
Okay.
Okay, and I had purchased some larger straws and some smaller straws.
Oh.
And that's what's going to happen. That a smaller straw inside the bigger straw is going to move up and down and sort of flap the wings.
Nice.
You know, like this. And yeah, there's some pictures there so people can see what I did. You know, just sat down and cut those. Again, watching Antiques Roadshow.
I love it.
Well, yeah, that was really, really neat. Actually, there was a Norman Rockwell chair that they were talking about that he painted on, sold for I think it was $50,000.
Wow.
Which is a lot.
Every time I watch that show.
A chair.
Yeah. It's like, ooh, what do I have? Is it possible
What do I have
that I
around?
have a treasure
Honey.
in my attic?
And the thing is, you always think you do.
Yeah, you think you do, but
Yep.
I'd be the one on the show that's like, no, this is actually worth less than you paid for it at the garage sale.
Oh, no.
It happens. It's okay.
So how do we get this? Whoops, I lost my straw.
I got to fold this here. There we go. So I'm folding the body in half, okay? And then the smaller straw, okay, will go onto the bottom here, like so.
Oh, no. Okay.
And then the foam over that.
All right.
Maybe
so
a little big,
the
but we
foam
can
holds
cut
that
it.
straw down.
In place. Yep. On one side, and then we'll do that on the other. There we go. Gosh, and this just saves so much time. Like in the instruction, it was like they were saying, hey, just utilize tape, you know, or go with tape. Told the straws, and I did that. I was like, no,
It
no, it's
wasn't
just
strong
not,
enough.
You
No.
know, no.
You want to be able to play with your butterfly.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And so
It
there we
has
go.
to
I've
take
attached
flight.
that to that side. Okay, the foam's there on the bottom, and then we'll take the bigger one.
Oh no,
over the
I might have used the wrong foam.
Uh-oh.
I knew this was going to be the part where I struggled.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, and then just on the other side?
And
Okay.
I stood here and did nothing. I didn't intervene at all.
Classic me. I was like, oh no, now we got to engineer something here.
There we are.
I think I did put the wrong.
What do you mean?
I don't know what I did.
Well, as long as you attached one side, it's like,
I did.
and then the
Okay.
big,
All
the
right.
big one goes. Here we go. On top.
Wait, no, I did it wrong too. How did we
really?
do this wrong? Which part was which part was the taped part?
Oh, really?
Yep.
And so, yeah, you attach
at-
the bottom one, and then this
Okay.
top one will go over the top of that.
Oh.
Yep. And I'm showing you here. Yeah. We'll slow down, slow down.
Okay, we got ahead of ourselves. That's what
Truly.
happened.
Go ahead and bring that to about the top of where you put your tape.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Yep. And so kind of right to here. Oh, there we go. And so there's an image right there, and I'll take some of this foam. There we
So
go.
this stays movable.
Yeah. And then just attach the top part of the foam there.
we got more foam.
Yep.
Oh. All right.
There we go.
I was like, mine is not flapping.
What do I do?
But now I got more
I
foam.
wasn't aware that this would actually be.
Wait, which part? This part up here?
Yeah. Okay. Yep, over the straw. Yes.
Yeah,
and
up
some
there more?
higher. Yep.
Okay.
Can someone call my mom?
My mom's watching right now, probably. Thinking,
really?
Get it together, sister.
There we go. And so, yeah, I lightly attached some foam to the larger straw right there.
Got
and
it.
then I really firmly attached the foam to the wing. Okay.
Okay.
And then there you go.
Oh.
Yep. So you got to make certain that
You
it
gotta-
doesn't. There's enough space there.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you.
So if you tape it all the way down, your butterfly does not move.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
It just you have to move it like that.
Yeah.
But
And
I'll
you
have to fix
can.
it.
Oh, did
Yeah,
I do mine
if
too
you-
high?
If you push it.
I taught you wrong.
Well, no, I think that could be okay. But you have to make certain it's not attached to the wing, sort of right here, in this area.
you
Oh,
got
I
a little
definitely did it wrong.
space. Me
Oh
too.
boy!
okay.
It's okay. I've got one for you that you can take with you.
It still works.
Oh, good.
I
good.
can redo it.
Okay, and so that's
Each
how
butterfly is unique
That's
in their
true.
own existence.
That's true.
in their
Out of the
own way,
cocoon. I can't even talk now.
So the
Oh, really?
directions would
Chrysalis?
probably be helpful for this one.
What was it?
The directions.
Oh,
so
yeah,
I would pay
suppose so.
attention to the
Yeah.
directions
and
like I
there
didn't.
are some steps to it,
Yes.
And so, but
You need to do them
I'm
in
not going
order.
to say like there's a right and wrong way because yes, each one is unique and each one's going to flap a little. There we
Okay.
go. There we go. Yep. And so you just got to make certain.
I got like a minute left to get this right.
Oh,
this
really?
is like,
Okay.
I need like the miracle clang, 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 clang.
Quick.
You need a little montage and then
Yes,
done.
seriously.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so this is
Oh.
where we can find information.
Yeah, information about me.
you.
So yeah, there's phone number, email. I just got on TikTok, so people can check out. I'll probably post this perhaps
Nice.
segment on there a little bit, so people can watch it. Hey.
Okay, technically she's got a little bit of a funk, but she's gonna
Okay,
make
mine's
it
kinda
around.
funky too.
Sure.
Mine's like flying on the other side.
Yeah. you know.
She's going to make it.
And this is your first time, so hey, cut yourself some slack.
There's,
all right?
there's beauty in the
It's
process,
not like you
right?
just know how to make butterflies, you know, like right away.
It was actually so fun, though.
It really
So
was,
cute
yes.
and a nice little way to brighten up your day.
Here we go.
Yeah,
Did we do it?
This is nice.
I think we did it.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Do we take our flock off
Yeah,
screen?
and then we just.
We're going to fly
We're
away.
releasing them into the wild. Okay, actually so fun. I'm going to really get it together, I promise.
Oh, yeah.
In the
I
real
got it.
commercial break.
Yeah, and so I do teach classes too
Yeah,
for
yeah,
community
yeah.
ed. I brought like brochures and all of that, so you
Oh,
can check those out if you
wonderful.
need to take a class with me. Oh, yep, there's me.
Perfect.
You know, woo! And so
Yes.
yeah, you can get a hold of me.
Really, John David.
Yep, I'm really John David.
I love
all
that.
day long. And so yeah, you can
Perfect.
find me on all over social media, and you can support me on Patreon too. It's Support John David.
Awesome.
Yep. And so yeah, this is really so colorful, you know. And so yeah,
it
you
is.
need to pay
Very
attention to
fun.
the steps, as with some art, you know, or I guess disciplines, you know,
Right.
and I guess projects, you know. You need to pay attention to kind of what goes where, but you know, it's pretty simple.
It's pretty simple
It's pretty
and
darn
very
simple.
fun.
Yes, it was a lot of fun. Thank you so much for brightening our morning.
Well, yes, you're very, very welcome. Thank you for allowing me to.
Of course, we'll see you next time. All right, stick around. We have a random fun fact of the day coming up right here after the commercial on North Dakota.